They will cause the case. Are you ready? If you're ready, let me say, yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. If you know that our Lord Jesus is the justified God, give me a J. If you know He's everlasting, give me an E. If you know He's superior, give me an S. If you know His understanding, give me a U. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know that our Lord Jesus is the super duper Jehovah of all nations, give me an S. Everybody, what is that? Jesus.
No country in the world call that name more than
two flash like one in one. I got everybody away. Baby, put that in the ball. Here the man, because you put the money kill a roll. I got man, two flash like one in one. I got everybody away. Baby, put that in the ball. Here the man, because you put the money kill a roll. I got only smile inside that I make you too. I can only smile. I cannot take it no more. So I'm back to you. I don't want to talk with you. See, I'm looking for someone to stand beside me. And now so you want to find a possibility. Someone to truly love and want me. Someone to come and be my true love. True love. True love. True love. True love. All the way we used to take, how we used to take. There's a difference between us and each
You understand? You understand? You are obstructing the view of the people who paid for this wedding.
Turn around.
Receive all the blessing on this side. Receive all the blessing. But I'm too much. I see you, sir. I see you, sir. I see you, sir. I see you. I see your vision.